In 2018, Amex became the exclusive issuer of all Hilton co-branded cards, and they really came out swinging with an impressive array of perks. So let's dive in to learn how to maximize those. There are 3 different personal co-branded Hilton American Express cards to choose from. There's the Hilton Honors American Express card, which grants you automatic silver status and has no annual fee. Then there's the Hilton Ascend card, which has a $95 annual fee, but grants you automatic gold status. At the top end, there's the Hilton Aspire card, and although there's a $450 annual fee, you get automatic diamond status. Now, let's talk about how you can make the most of holding one of these cards. The key differentiator between cards is the automatic status level that each one gives you, and that's a huge perk from Hilton. While the no annual fee Hilton Honors American Express card does grant you automatic silver status, there's a ton of value in being gold with Hilton. So to get gold status automatically, you'll want to look to the $95 annual fee Hilton Ascend card. It is possible to achieve gold status on the no annual fee card by spending $20,000 in a year, but that's not exactly the best way to go about it. The $95 annual fee Hilton Ascend card makes a lot more sense if it's gold that you're aiming for. Now, on that Ascend card, if you end up spending $40,000 in a year, you'll be automatically upgraded to Diamond. But again, that's probably not the best way to get Diamond. Instead, there's the $450 annual fee Hilton Aspire card, which gives you Diamond automatically. Now, it's important to note that only Hilton's elite members get their 5th night free on award stays. So you'll want to have one of these cards in your pocket, if only for that perk. There's a lot of value in using one of these co-branded cards to shortcut your way to status. It takes 60 nights in a Hilton property to earn Diamond, which obviously takes months, even if you stay somewhere every night. So if you're planning a trip where having status is important, grab one of these cards first, and when you show up, you'll already be a VIP in the eyes of Hilton. The mid-tier Hilton Ascend card lets you earn a free weekend night after spending $15,000. But the high-end Hilton Aspire card gives you that free weekend night automatically. And you can earn another one once you've spent $60,000 on the card. Now, these weekend night certificates are good at almost any Hilton property around the world. And in the case of the Hilton Ascend card, using it on a $300 room night gives you a 2% return on that $15,000 that you spent to earn it. Statement credits are a common way for credit card issuers to let you earn back some of that annual fee. In the case of co-branded Hilton Amex cards, only the high-end Aspire has statement credits attached. So while that card holds a $450 annual fee, you'll get a $250 annual airline fee credit back once you select a certain airline. Plus, you'll get $250 back at a Hilton resort. Between those 2 credits, you've already earned back more than the annual fee. So don't let the $450 annual fee of the Hilton Aspire scare you off. If you just take advantage of the statement credits alone, it's a no-brainer to have in your pocket. To take advantage of the airline fee credit, you'll need to designate a specific airline before it becomes active. But you probably fly mostly on one airline anyway. Now, for the resort credit, make sure to visit hilton.com/resorts to make sure the resort you're after is included in that $250 credit. To help you decide which of those cards is best for you, be sure to check out our comprehensive guide in the link below.